What is the Carlson Hotel Corporate Code? The Carlson Corporate Code is usually only used by employees. When using the negotiated price to check in, the relevant company employee certificate, or the corresponding company email address, will be required to verify the identity. Because the employees of large companies have a large number of business trips and conferences each year, they generally sign a discount price directly with the hotel group, thereby reducing the cost of travel, which is also regarded as an employee benefit, and the hotel also increases the income in the form of small profits but quick turnover. You can visit my blog through the link in the description to get more code and usage details of a hotel. My blog provides hundreds of corporate codes. You can use any one you want. How to use Carlson Corporate Code. The use of Carlson's corporate code is very simple. Enter the Carlson's official website. When searching for a hotel, select Advanced Search, then select Corporate Account ID, then enter the corporate code. Is identification required to use company code? Online I often have read about people concerned by using a corporate rate because they feel the hotel will be asking for identification at check-in in order to confirm eligibility for the discounted corporate rate. In my career I have been enjoying corporate rates at hotel in many different capacities. Sometimes I was an actual employee of the company that negotiated the discounted rate, and therefore I had a business card, another form of identifications. However, most of the time in my career I have been using corporate rates as a consultant, contractor, supplier or customer of the company who was holding the contract with the hotel chain. Therefore, I had no form of identification, and sometimes the details of my relationship with the company who booked the room for me was confidential in nature. In any case, the details are never the business of the receptionist at the hotel. Typically I am asked for a form of corporate identification less than 10% of the times I have a reservation using a corporate rate. When I am actual employee I typically show my business card, but when I am a contractor or supplier I just say so. No further details are needed. Typically my answer to a request of corporate ID to prove my relationship with the company holding the contract with the hotel chain sounds like, sorry, I am a contractor, supplier, customer. Not a single time I was asked any additional question or challenged further. The truth is that the hotel chain itself has no interest in investigating eligibility because their business and profitability is all about occupancy. Their number one goal is fill the property in.